Hello! In this video, I will show you how to create 4-strand braids with accents. I start with the first accent. I take from side small piece of hair, share the piece in 3 equal strands, and then I create the accent braid, just braiding normally, regular 3-strand braid. I bring the strands from side alternately under the middle, but if you prefer to bring strands over, you can do that as well. Continue the braiding until the end of the hair. Next, I creating the 4-strand braid using the accent braid. So take a bunch of hair from the side, separate the hair in 3 pieces plus the braid, and then start to move strands under, over the braid, over, under the braid, under, add hair, and then over the braid. Next, from the right, over, under the braid, and from left, under, add hair, and over the braid. From right, over, and under the braid, and from left, under, add hair, and over the braid. Next, I pancake the edges of the braid. Then just continue braiding. When the braid is close to the end, it's time to extend the accent braid. For that, I put the hair pieces away like this, and then I take some new hair and about double each strand of the accent braid. So separate the hair piece in 3 and add them in. Then just continue braiding like you did before until the end of the hair. Once the braid is extended, I take the hair strands back to work and continue the braiding just like I did before. Over, under, add hair, over, under, add hair, and over. Keep on repeating. Next, I create the similar braid under the first one. Again, you need 3 hair strands and 1 braid. The braid technique is exactly the same, but when you're creating this braid, pay attention that when you add hair from the left side of the braid, you need to keep the adding tight so the braid will come up close enough to the topmost braid. When I created this hairstyle for the first time, my idea was that these braids would be following close enough to each other so they might look as they would be a one braid. So tight addings in the way that the braid will be enough close to the first braid, so when you pancake the edges, these braids look like they would touch each other's. Even if this braid is a little bit shorter than the first one, you probably need the extension for the accent braid like you did for the first time. This is exactly the same process. For the last, I create the uneven accent braids. For this, I take 2 similar strands. These must be on the same size, and I take them both at the same time so it's easier to make sure that they are even. Then I start the braid, regular 3-strand braid. You can bring the strands from sides over or under the middle one. It doesn't matter. After the few stitches, I pancake the one strand every time when it comes to the side. Again the same strand and pancake the edge. Just keep on repeating this pattern until this braid is on the same length as the 4-strand braids. Then just take the another strand and braid it on the same way. This is really simple and easy way to look intricate looking hairstyle. All you need is 3 strands of hair. You don't need addings or any special braiding skills. This is just a regular braid, and some strands are pancaked from the side. They don't even need to be equal. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day.